Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today we're gonna be working on the Jaguar F Pace 3.5 T all-wheel drive. The car is 2017. What I'm going to do here is to fix the problem with the code p0346, which is the camshaft sensor B bank 2. This is the engine. It's a 3.5 2017 Jaguar F Pace 3.5 turbo. First of all, you have to look at which one is the bank 1, which one is the bank 2, because each bank has a 2 camshaft sensor. On the passenger side, this is the bank 1. I'm going to show you, okay, I don't know if you can see here, this is the camshaft B bank 1. If you can see the bottom here, right there, down there, that's the camshaft A bank 1. Anyway, I just want to show you this is the bank 1, the passenger side, and the driver side is the bank 2, which is my problem. So the camshaft on this side are located right there. Okay, this is the camshaft. Okay, I don't know if you can see here. Yeah, I have a 2 camshaft here. This is the 1. And this is the second one down there over there. So to give you a good view, I'm going to remove the air housing tube, the air filter housing, and then we got some view. And then I try to move the coolant tube so you can see right there what I'm going to do. This is the camshaft. So this is a camshaft A bank 2. That's the bottom one, which I put my finger right there. And that's the camshaft number 2 down there, bank 2. This is the one we're going to sell. But because I'm working on a 1 bank, so the 2 sensor, I'm going to replace the both, so I don't have to go and come back again. So I will advise, if you have to change the 1 sensor, it's better to do the both together, so you don't have to go back again to change the sensor. So that saves you time. Now you can see right there. Okay, that's the sensor number 1, the sensor number 2 down there, sensor A, the sensor B. Okay, and try to do everything and I say, okay, that's a sensor A, and down there that's a sensor B. So this both sensor I'm going to replace on the bank 2 driver side. So basically this video is to show you the firing order where the camshaft sensor are located. Thank you. See you in the next video.